What battle royale game did you play and why did you choose it?
I chose the PUBG mobile games because the graphics of this game are very good compared to other battle royale games, and I am also happy with the many features in this game.
What things do you know about this game?
Okay, PUBG Mobile is not only in the form of sampling its PC version. Tencent and PUBG Corp as a developers know very well the needs of gamers who want to play comfortably and practically. So they add some new features that you won't find on the PC version. Just like most mobile games, before playing you will find the mission feature which give you bonus battle points and XP. This bonus will be obtained as a gate you play. You will be given daily or weekly missions that can be additional motivation to play for new features in gameplay. PUBG Mobile also includes several new features such as automatic looting and improved map or compass system. For an automatically looting system, not everything is certified automatically. Items that are taken are automatically selected based on your needs and item that I have. For example, suppose you already have an AK-47, this automatically looting system will help you take out 7.76 millimeter bullets automatically. Likewise, items that complement the others such as scopes or handles. You can select other items that are not rated manually according to your needs.
What do you like about the PUBG Royale battle game?
The thing I like about this game is of course in terms of graphics and features.
How to play it?
When entering the game, of course you are on a plane that takes you to an island and you must land there. But you can land anywhere because every place has risks. You have to find a safe place to land so you don't die in vain. For example, if you land in a place that is full of players and you haven't had time to boot, it's certain that you will be the target of other players. It's better if you land in a small town to get loot which is small in number but far from the battle zone, so it's safer and lasts longer.
What about the characters in PUBG Mobile and what weapon can they be used?
Victor is the first special character to be launched of PUBG Mobile. The Victor character is free for all PUBG Mobile players. Victor's special ability is to reduce SMG reload by 10% after reaching level 9. Victor is also equipped with distinctive voice chat. Then there are Sarah, Carlo, and Andy. There are lots of weapons in the PUBG game and the most powerful ones are AWM SKS and M M416.
Does PUBG Mobile have tournament or esport?
PUBG Corporation has now revealed their plans on the player-unknown's Battlegrounds or PUBG esports stage throughout 2020. This year, fans will be treated to four global tournaments. This tournament consists of their PUBG Global Series or PGS before closing with the PUBG Global Championship or PGC. There will be 30 teams counting for each of the three PGS events throughout 2020. Of the 32 teams and 28 of team will be determined through regional qualifier in six different regions, namely South Korea, China, Japan, Europe, and America, and Asia Pacific. While the last four slots will belong to the best team in the previous global events, its PGS event will last for 9 days in 3 states, namely the group states, the elimination states, and the grand final. The 32 teams that appear will be divided into two groups of 16 in each group. The top 6 team will immediately advance to the grand final, while the bottom 2 will immediately be eliminated. Meanwhile, the remaining 8 teams will come to elimination round to find the top 4 teams that will participate in the grand final.
Who are the PUBG Mobile gamers you admire? What do you admire about him? And what do you know about him?
The name is BTR Zuxi, Made Bagus Prabasawara. Akah Luxi is a professional gamer for PUBG Mobile and Indonesian citizens. He arranged Bigatron eSport to several major tournaments and was successful. He is known for his good sniping skills. Luxi also used a 4-finger claw control setting. Then, what about you? What Battle Royale game did you play and why did you choose it?
I play Garena Free Fire. I choose this game because Garena Free Fire is one of the most popular mobile games today in Indonesia. Garena Free Fire has been downloaded to the Google Play application more than 100 million times by game lovers. Free Fire is also be able to beat other competing games such as Mobile Legends Bang Bang and so on. This can be proven by the achievement of Free Fire, which has succeeded in becoming the top grossing game that has the title of the game with the most income. This Free Fire game carries the Battle Royale genre. Therefore, this game is very fun to be used as entertainment when filling my spare time. Apart from the tense gameplay, Free Fire also has an offers a wide selection of cool characters that I can choose and use, of course, with cool art or image dance.
What do you know about this game?
Free Fire born on August 11, 2017, made by 11 Studio in Vietnam. This studio develops and get closer to the desires of users on mobile device. On September 27, 2017, the alpha test for Free Fire was opened and can be played by several players. Players are asked to be given feedback so that developers can revise the game so that the game can be better. Closed beta was held in 6 countries: Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines on November 3, 2017. At this stage, there is new setting feature and an enlarged arena map that can be played. After the beta stage, Garena did not immediately release Free Fire because he wanted lots of new updates from the developers. Garena just officially released Free Fire on January 15, 2018, and this game achieved a success by becoming the number one mobile game in 22 countries and becoming the top 5 mobile games in more than 50 countries, with a total of tens of millions of downloads the year, making this game considered to have met the high standards of other games in Garena.
What do you like about the Battle Royale Free Fire game?
I like this game because there are several advantages of Garena Free Fire that its competitors do not have. Namely, first, there is a local Free Fire server which is much faster and more stable, so there is minimal interference on the network because Free Fire servers already exist in Indonesia. This will automatically make the Free Fire network more stable and smooth when the Free Fire games take place. Second, Free Fire has better graphics stability than others, and it will not be downgrade of played on smartphone that have low graphic quality. Graphic on Free Fire will always look good and attractive on any smartphone. The third advance is in the game control section. Of course, it is very simple and also has auto aim and is not complicated like other battle royale games. So that when the game takes place, Free Fire will be easy to play even for beginners. Fourth, in a typical game, Free Fire has a typical ambush game, where games don't really need tactics or strategies, and move as fast as possible. Apart from auto aim, Free Fire also has UAV zone. The zone will appear automatically during the game to be pressed when the plane passes. When the plane appears, you will see a cycle that has a different color, and if you enter or are in the vicinity of the circle, then it is certain that your current position will be immediately re- rec- recognized by the opponent or enemy in the game.
How to play it?
Free Fire gameplay is where all players are deployed by plane and must do free fall. Each player also has to find weapon and medical equipment when sent to fight against other players and survive. In the middle of the game, there will be planes placing and launching airdrops in the form of large boxes containing bulletproof vests, helmets, special weapons such as AWM, Groza, M79, and M249 or machine gun. Finding airdrops is also not difficult. This box will radiate a vertical or straight line from the sky with its yellow light. To further pampers players Free Fire provide this indicator for items and the airdrop. If all of them have been taken away, the light will disappear and face first. The light will stay on if any elements has not been taken. At certain times of the game, the danger zone will appear. The danger zone circle will be red when viewed from the map. In certain areas of the danger zone, an explosion will occur in squad mode. So someone who is hit by an explosion will will be in a hit condition, but if it happens in solo mode, the player will immediately die. The long playing time and the large map will not end the game if there are no danger zones. Outside the safe zone, the player's blood will continue to decrease if the player is in a safe area that is too small. The adrenaline of the player will increase, considering that soon the player will have to migrate to another zone. This is where you can see the quality of the players. Apart from the need for war skills and the ability to survive, this survival game also requires calm and luck.
What about Free Fire characters and what weapons can they be used?
In total, there are 30 characters that can be played by players. These characters can be obtained by buying them via diamonds or completing a number of missions. Each of the characters in the Garena Free Fire game itself has unique abilities and is different from one another. Based on the news site Sports Kuda, among the 30 characters in Garena Free Fire, the A124 character in the form of a female robot is the strongest and most dangerous avatar when found in Free Fire. One thing that makes A124 name the strongest character in Free Fire cannot be separated from the skills or abilities it has. Yes, A14 has the ability to instantly convert a number of AP points into HP or blood. This is of course very useful when trying to survive in the middle of a fight. Assault rifle or ER, namely Groza M14 SKS, are the weapons most often used by players. In Instead of thinking about lots of bullets, it's better to choose an ER weapon with the best range of fire. Groza can be used for short and long distance and has a high level of damage or damage.
Does Free Fire have tournaments? If there is, please tell me.
Garena has also planned a series of exclusive FFGS 2020 in-game events that all Free Fire players can participate in. This tournament is not only for Indonesian esport athletes, but also for all our beloved Free Fire who are at home so they can watch and support the Indonesian representative teams in making the nation proud in the international arena. Meanwhile, before competing in the Free Fire Continental Series or FFGS 2020, Indonesian Esport Athletics first undergo the preliminary round in the Free Fire Master League or FFML, which is currently running until October 2020. With the league system, the top 6 teams will receive direct tickets to the grand final of the next tournament, the Free Fire Indonesian Master or FFIM 2020 Fall. Meanwhile, the Free Fire Continental Series or FFGS 2020 tournament format consisting of 3 regional tournaments that will be held simultaneously. The 3 regions include Free Fire American Series, Brazil and Latin America, Free Fire Asian Series, Indonesian, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Taiwan, and India, and Free Fire AMAA Series, Eropa, Russia, Middle East, and North Africa. The teams from each region will be brought together to compete for a total prize pool of 300 US dollar or around RRP for 4.4 billion, and the title of the best Free Fire teams in the world. Teams will fight more than 6 rounds on 3 maps, namely Bermuda, Purgatory, and Kalahari, with points awarded based on rank and number of kills.
Who are the Free Fire gamers you admire? What do you admire about him? And what do you know about it?
I like the Garena Free Fire gamer Aura Kasih. Aura Kasih is a gamer from Indonesia, and his name is also very familiar among Free Fire players because of his expertise in playing. I like this gamer because of his agile way of playing, mastering many weapons, and also quite skilled in playing solo versus squad as well as the playing styles in using shotgun weapons with jumpsuit techniques. And also Aura Kasih has a YouTube channel called Frontal Gaming, where on her YouTube channel he often shares tips on how to play Free Fire with very good techniques, so it makes me interested because of this.